Hey there, struggling to make your social media posts stand out from other content you create? I'm Willis, and today's Copilot tip of the week is here to help. First, let's ask Copilot to write our social media post using content from a specific document or blog post. In this demo, I'm going to use our Microsoft monthly updates from February of this year. And there it is. Copilot reads the blog post for you and sums it up, makes your nice social media post that you can use. Next, get Copilot to adapt your draft content into posts that fit the character count and tone of the platform you're using. In this case, we ask it to fit it into 140 characters for X. And there we have it. This ensures your message is concise and impactful. So we're going to have Copilot review our post for tone alignments. It gives us our summary, concise and informative, engaging and professional. But we want to review it. We want it to be a little bit more engaging, so we're going to ask Copilot to do that. This step ensures your content is crafted with precision and stays true to your brand. And that's a wrap for today's Copilot tip of the week. With Copilot, crafting a social media copy is not just easy, it's game-changing. Keep pushing boundaries and creating amazing content. See you next time.